Hey guys, it's the Demonic Warrior again. Today I figured I'd show you a neat little lighter trick that I learned from YouTube actually. So I guess I'll tell you how it's done once I finish. Here it is. There you have it. Basically all you do is when you go to make a fist, just do that. Leave it open at the top, closed at the bottom. Then you take your lighter, you stick where the fluid comes out, right up there, right in it. Hold down the button. And then once you think you got enough fluid, it's supposed to light, but my lighter's kind of run out of fluid. So, I guess I'll see you next time. Signing off, the Demonic Warrior.